Hello guys, how are you? This is EIP, your favorite YouTube analyst, and today I will show you how I, with the help of this indicator, I was able to nail the July 4th rally cycle bottom, and the market should continue going up from here, hopefully. And so I don't know, but everybody was bearish today that the market started dumping and it will go here or where, whatever not. But if you see this cycle indicator, then you can see that it was ready to, it was a knife catch opportunity over here if you were bullish, because I was bullish and we had a bullish cross on this indicator, blue cross. The above indicator is derived from the EIP reversal. So it is just an improvement of this one with the interpretation of direction along with this cycle. So the cycle was bullish and the cross was bullish. So we can take the long, and we did take the long in the market today. And on Friday, this was a cycle top, and once the price was below the moving averages, it was a short. But once it was above the cycle, it was bottoming, and we could have gone long either from here on the knife catch, or once it started going above the moving average. And during the late half of the session, there was hidden bullish over here. So I asked my group that it will go up because it is above all the moving averages, and it did go up. So this is how you would trade it. And over here, I think on Wednesday, we were shorting the stock market from here, but overnight, the cycle, bottom, and then a bullish cross occurred, and it was above the moving averages. So I immediately asked my group to close the shorts and go long instead, and we did go long afterwards. So for this setup, you just need to watch. You need to watch three things. That is the cycle. If the cycle is bearish or bullish, you need to trade according to the bullish growth. And also for entry, you can use the moving averages or this black line for your bias. So you need to have three things with you at least: the cycle, the indicator cross, and this black line in your favor. For example, over here, the market was dumping, but it formed a double bottom, and the cycle picked the bottom. The cross was bullish, and once it went above this black line, so it was a long. And similarly, the cross, bearish cross, cycle top, and once it was below the moving averages or this black line, it was a short. So you can see how beautifully you can do intraday trading with this indicator. And I think finally, with TradingView, I've been able to perfectly nail the cycle tops and bottoms, because it is very difficult to do it on intraday. And I was looking to long because I wanted to long for the July 4th rally, and it was able to predict the not exact bottom, but a very good knife catch bottom for the upside. So let's pick any other day, for example, any random day. Let's pick 14th of Feb. Let's pick 14th of Feb. Let's see what happened on 14th of Feb. So it was a bullish cross. It was time to close the short when this bullish cross occurred, and when it was above the moving average, you could have taken long from here to the black line. And but once it was black line and you had all the energies in conflict with you, then you could have taken long till the cycle was in your favor. Once the cycle was in your favor, you could have, you know, gotten out of the long and wait for the correction. But you wouldn't short over here. Why? Because the cycle was the cross was bullish, the cycle was bearish, but this black line was still bullish. So it was a big signal. So it indicated a correction. So it was not worthy of trade. So let it go. But once you got this bearish cross, then The cycle was bearish and this black line was bearish. So the pullback to the moving averages was a short. Similarly, this was a short to the downside. Once you get above, you need to watch three things: this cross, this cycle, and this black line. So in order to have a good long or short, you need to have all three in favor. For example, over here, it was a good bullish cross. The cycle was above and it went above the black line, so it was a good long. And you could have remained long and you could have shorted over here, not here. If you would short over here, you would be, caught in the nonsense. So in order to prevent the nonsense shorts, you need to wait for the price to go below the black line and form, and all three energies need to be in your favor. For example, this was a red, this was bearish, and the cycle was bearish, so you would have taken this short till here. Once it started going above, then you could have dead accordingly. This was a good ABC short, and this was a long. If the cycle was bottoming, so you would have closed your short and started preparing for long over here. You would have started preparing for long once it started bottoming, right? And this was an easy, it bottomed on this cycle and on the black line, and this was a pullback to the moving averages for a with the bullish cross. It was a good pullback for the long till here. Bullish, keep going till you are under the cycle, and then you would get out. And once you get the bearish, this is very good as far as cycle trading is concerned. For example, bearish cross, bearish cycle. When the price is below the moving average, you knew what you needed to do. It was a short till here, and then bullish. So you knew, if you knew a bit of price action, you knew it would go up from here. Then you could have taken long, and this was a short again. You could have taken the short, and over here you could have taken the short. It was a long. It was a long. So basically, this above indicator is interpreting this below indicator EIP reversal for the trades. So you were bullish over here, but once it started going below the cycle, you would have gotten out. In fact, the retest of it was a knife catch short, because these tops and peaks and bottoms are good knife catch opportunity. So it was a knife catch short, and then this was a bear flag. This was a bear flag for the short. This was the start of the long. Yeah. Till the cycle turned, formed a double bottom. So either you could have taken a knife catch short, or you would have gone short once you got all three in confluence. So this is how you would do the trading intraday. So those who are in my group, you guys can send me message on WhatsApp to get the access to this indicator. Thank you. Best of luck.